Each exercise is going to last 30 minutes.
Each exercise is going to last 30 seconds.
30 seconds.
I thought you said 30 minutes. What's up, Mixonites? I am Nathen Mixon, your fitness coach. Today we're going to do a full body workout. All you need is that body to get 8 different exercises out of the way. Each exercise is going to last 30 seconds. You'll get 20 seconds to relax between those exercises. Make sure to follow me on Instagram if you want to get more tips and tricks. If you're ready to work out, let's go.
Alright, so the first exercise is going to be the run in place. You just get out there and move that body of yours. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. You're just going to swing your arms back and forth, lift those legs up, and get that body in motion. You have about 15 seconds left, so keep pushing forward. 3, 2, 1, and break. The next workout we're going to do is the skip. Alright, so we're just going to find a place, make sure there's nothing laying on the ground. We're just going to skip around a mat, the table. Just be careful where you are. When you get to halfway point, switch sides. 3, 2, 1, let's go. If you want to make this workout a little bit more intense, lift up on those knees. This will be the time to turn around and go the opposite way. 3, 2, 1, and break. The next exercise is going to be the jumping jacks. We're going to take our arms, put them to the side, and move our legs and arms laterally up and down or side to side. Jumping jack. Make sure you breathe into your nose and out through your mouth. 3, 2, 1, and let's go. You have 15 seconds left. If you can go faster, go ahead and jump and jack a lot faster. 3, 2, 1, and break. The next exercise is going to be a left foot balance. So all you're going to do is bring that knee up as high as possible and hold that pose. Bring your arms out to kind of keep your balance. You're going to pause there for a quick second. Oh, got the Karate Kid going. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Halfway there. Channel your inner Daniel-san. There you go. 3, 2, 1, and break. Alright, we're gonna switch legs this time. Alright, same concept is going to apply. You're gonna bring that knee up, holding that leg up as far as possible from the ground, and maintain your balance. Keep your arms out to kind of help level yourself out. 2, 1, let's go. Halfway point, make sure you maintain yourself. You have about 10 seconds left. Don't lose your balance. 3, 2, 1, and break. Next is going to be the frog jump. You're going to come down to the ground and you're going to hop up as high as possible, getting your feet off the ground. You want to put as much air between your toes as possible. This is going to be a tough workout. It's going to work your quads, really hard, as you can see here. Let's go. Keep it up. You want to pace yourself with this workout. I know it burns. Keep going. You have about 5 seconds left. Push all the way through. Give me one more. There you go. Break. Now you can take a break and lay on the ground or a mat if you have one. And we're going to do some swimmers. Alright, this is going to be a great back workout. You're just doing a freestyle swim, or whatever you call this move right here, until we get into 30 seconds. 3, 2, 1, let's go. I think at this point I told her a shark was behind her. Gotta use those feet. 3, 2, 1, and break. Last exercise is going to be a static squat. So you're gonna bring your feet a little bit more to shoulder width apart. In this case, double shoulder width apart. You're gonna hold that squat. Keep your knees behind the biggest toe. And you're gonna hold this for 30 seconds. The lower you can go, the better. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Halfway there, hold what you got. Breathe in through your nose, out through your mouth. You can move around if you need to. You got 5 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and you're done. Good job.
Congratulations, everybody. You have made it through the workout. You have 4 more rounds of this. This workout was great. I felt very challenged. Make sure to follow me on Instagram for more tips and tricks. If you want more videos like this, make sure to click the card in the video. I'm Nathen Mixon. I'll catch you in the next video.
Good job.
Do you want to do a little dance? Yeah.
I'm tired.
What's up, Mixonites? I'm Nathen Mixon.
Mixonites?
Mixonites.
Mixonites. Like he's mixing, so they're Mixonites.
Mixonites?
Yeah.
What's up, Mixonites? I'm Nathen Mixon, your fitness coach.
And give me some energy, like you plan to do. Look at this camera, look at me. Go.